And fortunately for me, within a few days, the general officer commanding who was putting all these restrictions was posted out. And a new guy came, General O.P. Kaushik, who was gung-ho, who was a tiger, an absolute tiger, you know. So he came. Now the snow had started. The orders were that when the snow starts, avalanche season comes, no movement, all movement to be frozen. I said, I have to see my posts. I'm not going to be a paper tiger, sit in the headquarters and, command from there. I want to see my post. He says, sir, you'll have to walk in the snow. You're not allowed. I said, ठीक है, I am going. Please don't pass it on to the headquarters, where I spoke to my commander, said, मैं जा रहा हूँ. मेरे को post देखना, मैं लड़ाई कहता, I agree with you. I would do the same. So in this kind of snow, this is very mild. We beat a track to climb post from 7,000 to 14, 15, 16,000. You can imagine what that meant. So I reached one of my posts, which was a very, you see that post? Is one of the very vulnerable posts that we had, very dominating posts, and the Pakistanis were punishing this one post like hell. It was held by the BSF. It was held by the BSF. So I reached that post, and वहाँ पे बेचारे उनके जो थे, post commander was a very old assistant commandant. He was much older than I am. He was not well. वो बेचारा खांस रहा था, बुरे हाल उसके. तो I said, यार तू यहीं लेट, because then I'll have to evacuate you. तो सुबह I said, I want to go around your post. I reached that post deep at night, I said, I want to go around your post. He said, sir, if you don't, मेरी तबीयत बहुत खराब है, आप मेरे इनको 2IC को ले जाइए. I said, ठीक है, आप चलिए, I want to see the post, don't waste my time. So I went to the post. So after we went a little distance, the JCO stopped me. सर इसके आगे नहीं जाते. I said, अबे पोस्ट तो वो आगे दिख रहा है. सर बहुत फायर है, बहुत खतरा है साहब. मैंने कहा यार मेरे को तनख्वाह मिलती है खतरे में काम करने के लिए, आपको कोई कष्ट है आप मेरे पीछे हो जाइए. वी आर गोइंग, आई एम गोइंग टू सी द लास्ट पोस्ट. मैंने उनको पीछे किया. ही हैड नो ऑप्शन, पुअर चैप. वी वेंट, फॉर्चुनेटली नो फायर. बट आई सॉ द बंकर्स डिस्ट्रॉयड. सर ये बंकर कब से टूटे हुए हैं, तुमने रिपेयर क्यों नहीं किया? साहब बहुत फायर आता है. व्हेन आई रीच द एंड ऑफ दैट पोस्ट, it's a very apocryphal story. When I reached the end of the post, there was one morcha which was held. And this was an air defense gun, And this is what that air defense guns looks like. It's an anti-aircraft gun, Zu-23. It had been sent there. And there was a small little guy, 5 feet, 1 inch tall, Havaldar Rajesh Singh from Garhwal, who was there. He saluted me and he said, sir, मैं आपसे अलग बात करना चाहता हूँ. I said, fine. I said, साहब आप जरा पीछे हट जाइए. हाँ क्या हुआ? कहते साहब आप नए सीओ साहब हैं? मैं कहा यस. साहब हमारा फौज का यहाँ बहुत बेइज्जती हुआ है और मैं वेट कर रहा था कि नया सीओ साहब आएगा तो मैं उसको बोलूँगा. मैंने कहा क्या हुआ बेटा? कहता सर हमने ये एडी गन यहाँ लगाई, 1 महीने बाद पाकिस्तानी L60 गन ले आए जो मेरी गन की रेंज से जो है 1.5 गुना ज़्यादा है, और उन्होंने हमारे मार के इलाके के बाहर लगा के साहब ऐसा मारा, यहाँ पे कुछ कहने की बात नहीं है. और उसके बाद साहब ये BSF वाले बेचारों को बोला था कि साहब मत अपने मट्टी के तेल के बैरल आसमान के ऑन द स्काई लाइन वहाँ मत डालो. इन्होंने वहीं डाला है और उन्होंने साहब अपना वो रॉकेट फायर किए, ये किया, सारे के ऑयल के बैरल जले, 200 फुट लपटे गई साहब. तब से इतना मार मारा, सारे बंकर तोड़ दिए साहब. और ये सारे बेचारे BSF वाले घबरा के ये रिवर्स स्लोप, दिस इज कॉल्ड रिवर्स स्लोप, वहां जाके छुप गए साहब. तब से आगे नहीं आए. अगर मैं यहां नहीं होता साहब तो ये पोस्ट खाली था, पाकिस्तान आके पकड़ लेता. My jaw fell. I don't want to use any other military language of what else fell, but I was flabbergasted. I came down and I rang up my brigade commander. I said, sir, आपकी और मेरी इज्जत गई, धुल गई. He said, what the hell? Then I told him, I said, sir, I want the BSF out of this place. This is too critical. My most critical shoulder I can't give it. He said, GD, relax. These are two different organizations. You can't, cast any slur aspersion. If you get them out, they will all react. That हमारी बेइज्जती की है, ये किया, वो किया. तू ऐसा कर, तू इसको एक प्लाटून चेंज कर दे, अपनी बेस्ट प्लाटून भेज. और वो सो आई कॉल्ड सुबेदार शेर सिंह, माय टफेस्ट ब्लडी CO. I said, जाइए इस पोस्ट को पकड़ लो and turn it around. I want to be ready to fight. And you know what that boy told me? The critical part of the story is, साहब इन्होंने बहुत मारा पाकिस्तानियों ने इस पोस्ट को. ये मेरे को कमांडर साहब ने पोस्ट के दिया कि तुम मत फायर कर भाई, हम और नहीं खाना चाहते. तो वी हैड टू स्टॉप. कहता सर उन्होंने कोई 1 घंटा मारा, उसके बाद उन्होंने फायर बंद किया साहब, और उन्होंने फिर अपने छत पे आके भंगड़ा किया कि मां का दूध पिया तो मारो। और साहब मेरे को खून जल गया, लेकिन जब मैंने बोला तो उन्होंने बोला कोर्ट मार्शल कर दूंगा, खबरदार फायर किया। हम यहां जवाब देने की हालत में नहीं। और साहब मेरी आत्मा जल गई, मेरी आत्मा में कोड़ हो गया है कि ये पाकिस्तानियों ने ये किया। आप कमांडिंग ऑफिसर हैं, यू हैव टू अवेंज इट। आई सेड ओके बॉय। So then of course we took it up. I went to my people, I talked up to my headquarters, made presentation, sir, I have to hit back. It is a result, it is a matter of my unit's honor. This is what the Pakistanis have done. And when they got to know that they have done this, they said, okay. So I had 2 mortar platoons, I was given 3 more. This is 81 millimeter mortars, right? I was given anti-tank guns. I said, I want to prepare and hit back. ऐसे चोंचलेबाजी नहीं करेंगे साहब कि उन्होंने गोली चलाई, हम गोली चला दें, मोटर चलाया, मोटर चलाया। वी वांट टू हिट सो हार्ड दैट इट हर्ट्स। एंड फॉर्चुनेटली आई वाज बैक्ड बाय जनरल ओपी कौशिक, टफ गाय। जीडी you kick them. I said, sir, I'll prepare and kick them. I'll dig down, we'll go down, we'll prepare our defenses. So I gave them a month. I said, get ready. We moved this gun up. Then we wanted to move a 75-24 howitzer in the direct firing role. So we sent up the mules. The path was so steep that the mules bloody rolled down. You know, it's a very imbalanced load. It has to be broken into 2. The mules rolled down and there was hell to pay. There was this thing. I said, sir, this gun has to be pushed up. We went to the village. मैंने बोला मैं 1 पेटी रम दूंगा, मैं 1 पेटी रम इस गांव में बांटूंगा, आप ये गन को ऊपर पहुंचाएंगे? बोले साहब जरूर। वो बांस पे they tied up the bloody pieces. These are Chilasi Baltis, locals of that area. And their men, women, children all combined, but the whole bloody village went up, but they took that bloody gun up. It was assembled and put. I was said, so the gun is ready. So when this post was ready, we told them to dig down. They were in, taking position, some in the open, etc. We got them all dug down, and then we were ready. When we were ready, I said, let me know when you are ready. Sher Singh, मेरे को बता दे तू कब तैयार है. Then I called my Subedar Major. I said, Subedar Major साहब चलो. So we climbed this post. You remember that peak? The highest point, there was the post, so I took position there. My radio set operator was here, my Subedar Major was here. We said, all weapons in this post, fire! So the mortar started, right? Ye dekhiye. And then we had the artillery. I had been given permission to use artillery to punish the Pakistanis for this thing, And the artillery gun started, a regiment of artillery opened fire. I'm talking of the year of the Lord 1991. Now they're very shy of opening fire, anything beyond mortars. The regiment of artillery opened fire. We blasted the 75-24 gun opened fire. And जैसे झरना बहता है ना साहब, उनके पत्थर टूट के थला वहां गिरने शुरू किए. The Pakistani started shouting there, "Oh Grai, क्या कर रहे हो? पागल हो गए हो?" मैंने कहा मारो इनको. The Pakistanis after some time fled, vacated the forward slopes, went on to the reverse slope, right? And there was no response. All fire from the Pakistani side stopped. My radio operator who was with me, he just tapped me on the shoulder. I said, हाँ क्या हुआ? He said, sir वो सफेद झंडा दिखा रहे हैं. सफेद झंडा means बस हो गई साहब, अब बंद करिए. White flag means we've had enough. Boss, stop. You see? तो मैंने उसको बोला तेरे को दिख रहा है? I could see the white flag. It was quite clear. It was huge. मैं कहा तेरे को दिख रहा है? Now my Johnny got quite confused. You see, in the army, when your boss asks you, अबे तेरे को दिख रहा है? So that poor chap looked at me. He धीरे से बोला, हाँ सर. तेरे को दिख रहा है? No sir. He said, keep quiet. मारो इनको और. White झंडा खड़ा करने के मतलब ये नहीं कि जो हमको इतना मारा, all that is forgotten, washed away, and we are good friends. Kick them. So one hour that bloody post was plastered, brought down half, and then I said, उन्होंने बोला सर कोई जवाब नहीं आ रहा, मजा नहीं आ रहा साहब फायर करने का, ये जवाब देना बंद कर दिया है. ऐसा 10 मिनट और किया. Then I said, okay. मैं कहा सूबेदार मेजर साहब सीटी बजाइए, तो they cease fire. ऐसा तमाम जवान अपने पोस्ट का छत पे आ जाए, अपने अपने बंकर के छत पे आ जाओ. तो सब छत पे आ गए. अब भंगड़ा करो, अब भंगड़ा करो. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the last time I was pushed The Pakistanis dare not open fire in that area.